It's been a wonderful journey with SkillEdge. Here the students are job ready and it's a one kind of opportunity. Hello friends, I am Mukul Channekar. I am from Chandrapur, Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation in computer engineering from SkillEdge Academy of Engineering, Pune. I got to know about SkillEdge from one of my friends. He had already enrolled in this course. I saw that I can get many opportunities after joining SkillEdge, so I have enrolled in this course Full Stack Development. I have never imagined that online sessions would be so much fun for learning. Our teaching expert Pranab sir made all the concepts crystal clear and he manifests all the doubts which are asked by the students. He uses simple and understandable language in the classes. SkillEdge engages you for the week. Like after the sessions, they will give you some hands-on assignment to complete related to what you have learned in session. There are 1 or 2 tests conducted in a week so that you can know how much you have understood about the concept. Other than technical things, SkillEdge will work on your soft skill. Rohit sir is always there to mentor and guide you. You will get to upgrade your skills by doing live sessions with experts. I would suggest more students to enroll and join SkillEdge and get ready for job of their dream. Thank you.